Hi guys, it's your girl Mikayla and I am back today with another video. As you can see from the title, I'll be doing a little haul today from Shein. So like over the past month, Shein has become like a very popular website and a lot of people are doing hauls and reviews about it, and I just decided to like try them out and see what the big hype was. So yeah, I ordered a couple of things, roughly like about 9 items for the upcoming fall season. You know, some long sleeve skirts, little sweater dress. Ordered to see if I would like these items, so I only order a small amount of things. So if I do like them, then I would definitely be purchasing from them in the future. I ordered my items on October 9th and I just received them today, which is October 17th. Right? Yeah, today's the 17th. So it took a little over a week for my package to get here. Some reviews, people were saying like Shein takes forever for their packages to arrive, and I didn't really experience that. I think it was pretty quick, you know, seeing as they're based in China. And first and foremost, I just want to say that their packaging is like amazing. Like, I just love how sleek it looks, real chic, you know. Who like hoards like good packaging? Because like, I mean, I don't know what I can use these for, but like it will be very useful. I love how it like is zippers, you know, it protects your clothes if you want to keep them in there. I mean, I don't know why you would, but yeah. As a reference, everything I ordered was a size 2X. That was equivalent to like a 16. I'm like a 14, 16-ish, like I'm around there. And like, I have a hard time buying online. I rather like size up than to size down. I'd rather something to look a little bit too big on me than too tight, because you know when it's tight you can't like really get into it. And yeah, so stay tuned and I will try on all of the items for you guys and let you know what I think about it. This is the first button-up shirt that I'm trying on. It's color black. I got a lot of color black tops in this shipment, and I really love like the stripes with the solid color. It's really cute. I love it. And this is a 2X. It's very flowy, you know. I like my shirts a little loose on me. I don't like them like sucked on or whatnot. But yeah, only thing I have to say is I kind of wish this was more just a little more fitting on the sleeves, but otherwise like from here it's like very good. And yeah, I like this. The material is like a satin or chiffon. I don't know if like I'm saying that right, but like I thought like on the picture it looked like this would be like a more jeans material, but it's still nice and soft and very comfortable. Their long sleeve is another color black. I really love these colors. It might not be fall. This is more like of like a spring shirt, but like I'm not the type to like wear certain colors during certain seasons. Like whatever I want to wear, I'm gonna wear it. So I like this, and like I can tie this in the front, you know. Really cute. Again, it's the same material as the first shirt, and yep, there it is. It's long in the back, and this is really cute. Again, this was some ripped jeans and like flats or boots, and like you're good to go. So now I have this other long sleeve. This was like tribal print on one side and plaid on the other side. This material is more thick like cotton, and this is like more soft. I like how this side feels more. On the website, this did not look like a high and low. I don't know if you guys can see, but like up here is like short, and then this is just this like long side. I don't know what this is for. It looks weird. Like I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably just have to like tuck it in when I'm wearing it. Otherwise from that, it's nice. It is a little, it's like really loose on me. But I mean, I guess it's still cute. You know, I can make it work. Or I can always wear it open. But yeah, so yeah, that's that. Alrighty guys, I'm not buttoning up everything because like it takes too much time. But here I have this checkered, no it's not checkered, striped plaid, that's what it is. This black and white plaid shirt. It's another color black. I feel like color black is kind of in right now, so yeah, it's cute. This is again long in the back. Again, it's a 2X. I definitely could have gotten away with a 1X on like all of these shirts, honestly, but again, I like to be safe than sorry, you know, and like I hate like shipping, like returning back stuff, so I'm just gonna settle with these, you know. So yeah, this is really cute with some nice like ripped black jeans and like some combat boots or like some tennis shoes. That'll be really cute. Now I got this brown sweater dress, and let me just say that this is like super soft, super comfortable. I honestly do not need a jacket. Like if I'm going outside, I would literally just wear this with like my boots and my purse, and like I'll be ready to go. Like I just love it so much. I think the sizing is good. Again, it's 2X. If it was a 1X, I feel like it would be like more fitting and it would show like off my hips and the no butt that I do have. Yeah, very, very nice. And it's a turtleneck, so it goes all the way up, but I would just cuff it like this with like a nice scarf. And yep. So I got this plaid, this blue and black plaid little schoolgirl skirt. I thought it would be so cute. I wanted to like start dressing like real, I don't know what's the word I'm looking for, like, you know, girly, you know, like in fall girls wear like stockings with little skirts and a little hat and their little boots. So I wanted to start dressing like that for this fall. So I got this skirt. I wish I got like an extra large or 1X, because like this is like really big. I wanted it to be like a little bit more tight, you know, to like show, like, you know, if it was like more tight like that, I think I would enjoy it more. But hey, I would just have to work with it. So there it is. Guys, and here's the second skirt that I got. It's a little like burnt orange skirt with the little buttons that come up with a little string that you can tie in the front or the side. It's really cute. Again, I just wish it was like a little bit more tighter, like right here, you know, but I can still definitely wear it, you know, if it's just more tight. Although I don't have a butt, but still, like, you know. But yeah, it's really cute and I can't wait to style it. Now I'm about to try on these two jeans that I picked up. I picked up these black ripped jeans, and these are 2X. I like when my pants are like super skin tight on me, and this isn't. I definitely could have gotten like a 1X. So I think a 14 would have been much better, but all I have to do is just like wear a belt to like sink it in and I would be fine. But yeah, they're ripped, super, super cute, and I can definitely wear it with this shirt. And yeah, they're really comfortable. Again, I just wish it was like more tight. Like I have so much room, as you can see, but nothing that a belt can't fix. All right guys, I saved the best item for last. I absolutely love these jeans. They're washed out. They have some distress, and like they are filled with these gorgeous pearls. I just love them. These are definitely like a statement piece. Like when people see these, I'm gonna get stopped and like ask, oh my god, where did you get them from? I love them. Again, a 2X. I definitely couldn't have gotten a 1X, but I'll just have to wear a belt. As you can see, there's like a lot of room. But yeah. Yep. And those are all the clothing pieces that I purchased. Alright guys, so that was it for the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I just want to make a few comments. So like I said, everything I got was a 2X. I definitely could have sized down on every single thing. I feel like I would have been fine with a 1X or an extra large. Um, the clothing is amazing. I love the material of them. I feel like they will definitely last long. They're not made of like cheap material. So I do suggest like really doing reviews and like checking the material that the clothing are made out of to make sure that you're getting your accurate size. So like if I do order in the future, which most likely I would definitely order a 1X or an extra large, you know. But like I said, you know, I'd rather my clothes be too big than too small. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Like I said earlier in the video, I will leave all the links to all the clothing pieces that I purchased down below in the description box. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And them other girl no ready.